It's been a significant year for crypto with particularly ETF approvals this year. Just curious, what's your take on how 2024 is shaping the future of crypto? And do you think institutional money entering crypto will bring down volatility?
Well, the issue that we face with institution coming in, and is a good problem, is over time, with more allocations and more liquidity, more user base, the market capitalization of crypto will continue to grow. As you know, a larger market capitalization will result in slightly less volatility over time, right? So I think that's the first point. Second point, I am bullish about crypto. I always believe that 2025 will be a better year than 2024, right? So if you look at past crypto cycle, normally the market starts to warm up around the mark of 160 days after Bitcoin halving, right? So I think today we're at 150, 152 days, some time ago. So because it's a demand and supply issue, right, for Bitcoin on that front. But I think if you look at several other parameters, the reason why I'm bullish is firstly, compared to a few years ago, now you have clearer regulations, right? Which will result in more users entering this space. I've highlighted the growth in our user numbers continue to grow exponentially. Secondly, institutions coming into this space, right? Many of them buy and hold, they are long-term holders. So they'll add another dimension to the liquidity and the clientele in this space, right? Which is net positive for the industry going into the future. If you look at crypto VCs, crypto investors, they continue to raise funds, investing into very interesting, innovative projects for the future. And this will continue to drive the use cases and utility of crypto going forward. And it's for this variety of reasons that I'm very bullish about the sector. And we continue to deploy for that bullishness. I mentioned that we're going to recruit another 1,000 staff throughout the course of this year, before the end of this year, to really support that global crypto deployment.
Fantastic. Do you think the presidential elections in the United States will affect crypto? Like, do you think either one of the parties will have a higher chance affecting the crypto markets?
I think the fact that crypto has become an agenda item during the presidential election, not only in the States, if you think about it, but in many countries around the world, right? It has come out as a conversational topic, as an issue. How do governments support the growth of crypto sector? Again, I mentioned together with AI, they'll form the infrastructure of future economic sectors. The fact that it has come up as an important subject matter in itself is significant. It shows the growing influence of crypto, and it's a testament of the growing importance of this particular sector, right? So again, we are watching that with keen interest like many others around the world are. But what we are focusing on is really building a strong, sustainable platform for the future.